This tutorial will show you how to download Ortho Viewer and use the program. First, you're going to go visit our website, neolab.com. Then you're going to go over to the Go Digital section and scroll down to Ortho Viewer. Click on Ortho Viewer and it'll bring you to this page. You scroll down and you'll see the topic Downloads, and you're going to choose Ortho Viewer right there. A new web page will open up and you'll choose this download icon. When a new window pops open, you can then save the file onto your desktop or into a specific location. Choose OK. I will now click my down arrow up here and open this file. I will then wait for the new window to pop open and double click Ortho Viewer Installer. I will then choose Run. I will read my welcome message. I'll choose Next. I will make sure all three formats are checked off, and then I will choose Next. Once it's finished installing, I choose Finish, and Ortho Viewer is installed on your desktop. Now, to review any patient's cases, I will close this window, I can close this window, go back to the RX Wizard, go over to My Script History, find the patient, in this case I will use Ben Maxwell, choose the red cloud. This window will now open up down here. I will choose this file. I will now download this file. I choose OK. I will then go to my down arrow and choose Ben Maxwell's file. It will then automatically open up an Ortho Viewer. Now, if you do not have a patient, I will show you how to use a sample demo. You will go back to the Go Digital section, go down to Ortho Viewer, and you'll see below we have a full finish model, a standard finish model, and a rough finish model as a sample demo. I will choose the full finish model. Again, I will choose the download icon. I will save file. There's my full finish demo model, and this too will open up an Ortho Viewer. And that is the tutorial on how to download Ortho Viewer and view a patient. If you would continue to like to know how to use Ortho Viewer, continue watching this video. This is a tutorial on how to use Ortho Viewer. I am currently using a 3-click mouse. The left click, a middle scroll, and a right click. The left click is your selection tool, the middle scroll bar is your zoom tool, and your right click is an action tool. On the right hand side, you'll notice that you have 5 different views. Your front view, your back, your right side and your left, then your top and your bottom. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there's a zoom all. When you click on that, it zooms all the way out on your model set. This is your one-to-one zoom. If you go down to one more, it's Access Locked Rotation icon. Left click on that and you have 4 axes that you can rotate your model set on. Free rotation, the X, Y, and Z. I'm going to choose my X, right click and move my mouse in an up and downward direction. I'm going to go back and choose my Y, right click and move my mouse to a left or right direction. And then I'll choose my Z, right click and move my mouse in a circular direction. Go back to free rotation and you can kind of orbit your model set. As I scroll down, I will see an open mouth view. When I choose this icon by left clicking, you'll notice that your views up here change. I can now look at it from the side perspective. The next icon down is closed mouth. These two icons are called Show and Hide Maxillary. When you place your mouse over this, it says Show Maxillary. Currently the maxillary is being shown. If you click on it, it will hide it. The icon below it will do the same, Show Mandibular. If you click on it, it will hide the mandibular. If you also go up to these 2 check marks, it does the same concept, show and hide your maxillary and your mandibular. This is your multi-view. When you click on this icon, it will give you multiple views of your model set. Your right, rear, front, left, mandibular, and maxillary. When you click on it again, it turns it off. Now, if you've been having issues with this or get an error report, you're going to go over to Application, go down to Preferences, and you're going to uncheck Material Shaders. You then choose Apply and OK. That should fix the error problem. The next icon is the measuring tool. You can measure up to 3 times. So I'm going to click on the icon 1 time, click the top of the tooth and the bottom, there's 1 measurement, click the top of the tooth and the bottom, there's my 2nd measurement, and click the top of the tooth and the bottom, there's my 3rd measurement. I cannot do a 4th. If you'd like to continue, just select Clear All, choose OK, and you can continue measuring other teeth. up to 3 times, and then you'll have to clear it all again. Once you're done, just choose OK. This icon down here is shadows and shows material. If you moved along here, you can have a transparent model. And then these are your other commands that you can do. Free rotation by right-clicking. Or I can move my object by right-clicking. Or I can zoom in and out by right-clicking and moving your mouse up and down. If you'd like to change any color of your model set, you're going to go to the down arrow next to the maxillary view, change model color, and you can choose any color desired. Orange, red, yellow, or green, or blue. I'm going to choose the blue and choose OK. Change it to a bright blue. I'm going to change my mandibular to a nice red color. Choose OK. And if these are too bright or you're just not happy with the colors, just hit Restore Colors. That's the end of this tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful. If you'd like to contact us with any further questions, please go back to our webpage, scroll down to the bottom. You can call us on this 1-800 number or send us an email. Thank you.